If you're looking for a quick, simple, and pretty good tasting apple cider vinegar detox recipe that will get you results fast and help you lose that stubborn belly fat, well then this is the video for you. I lost 7 pounds in 2 weeks drinking this mixture. Stick around. Hey, I'm Tamatha Lene, indie artist, songwriter, and a new mom. And this channel is all about all things mommyhood and also all things music. Every Wednesday I upload videos all about mommyhood, hacks, healthy things for baby and mom and losing the weight. And on Fridays, it's all things music. Songwriting tips, vocal production tips, industry insider interviews. So please do subscribe if either of these things interest you, or if both do, then boom, double the fun. So let's jump right into this apple cider vinegar detox. Now, it's important to note that if you're pregnant, you should not use unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. It's unknown if the bacteria in the unpasteurized apple cider vinegar can be harmful to your unborn baby. So to me, it's just not worth the risk. So if you're pregnant, use pasteurized apple cider vinegar, or just use this recipe with lemon juice instead of apple cider vinegar. So I just had my first baby 4 months ago, and I was having a really tough time losing the last few pounds of baby weight that I gained during my pregnancy. I was kind of stuck in the 130s, and generally I'm between like 120, 125. I call that my fighting weight, and I just could not break that 120 barrier. I couldn't get into the 120s. So I just decided finally that I was going to do an apple cider vinegar detox to just try to get through that wall of the 120s, and it worked. So let's jump right into this recipe. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you purchase an organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. I like the Bragg's brand. You want to make sure that you shake the jar before using it so that all the nutrients from the mother are like evenly distributed, because the mother contains all the good strands of proteins and enzymes and friendly bacteria that we want. So you want to measure out 2 teaspoons of ACV and pour it into a mason jar or a glass of your choosing. So whatever you pour it into. I like to use mason jars. I'll put a link below to the type of mason jars that I like. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them at Walmart, but they're really simple. You can get them anywhere. And then the next thing you want to do is take an organic lemon. I like to kind of roll the lemon to get the juices flowing, get the little juices flowing in the lemon. And then I cut it in half. And I use this manual juicer. I love it. I use this to squeeze the juice out of the lemon. So if you have a big lemon, you can use half of that juice from the lemon, but most organic lemons are little. So I just use the whole lemon, all the juice from all the lemon. And I like to open the juicer, reposition the lemon, and squeeze it again so that no juice is wasted or left unused. And then, so after you've gotten the juice out of the lemon, put that into the jar. Also, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. The next thing you want to do is add your water. So I use spring water, and I heat it in an electric heater, or you can heat it on the stove. You do not want to use the microwave. That's a whole nother video, but it can do a lot of damage to the molecules of the things that you're eating. So definitely don't use the microwave. Just use the stove or an electric heater, or it's even better just use room temperature water if you don't have a way to heat it. But it's important not to overheat the water or bring it to a boil. If you have a thermometer that you use for your food, just for a reference, it's good to know that 212 degrees Fahrenheit is boiling, and 125 to 129 degrees Fahrenheit is the thermal death point of good bacteria in apple cider vinegar. So you don't want to heat your water above 125 or 129 degrees Fahrenheit, because if you do, then you'll be killing off a large number of the good bacteria and enzymes and proteins that you want and that you need to help restore the gut health and promote the weight loss that we're looking for. So you do not want to overheat your water. With the water, I make sure it's warm, not above 129 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I add 12 ounces of this water to the apple cider vinegar. It's about approximately 12 ounces. It helps to dilute it enough. And then so after I got the water in there, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar in there, then I sprinkle a dash of cinnamon, which has lots of great properties, and then also a dash of cayenne pepper, which has a lot of other great properties, as well as helping speed up your metabolism and things like that. After that, I use 1 teaspoon of organic raw honey. This helps to really cut a lot of the acidity in the apple cider vinegar. It just helps bring a nice taste to it. The cinnamon also brings a really nice taste, and to me, the lemon, because I love lemon. I love like lemon tea and things like that. So to me, the cinnamon, the honey, and the lemon really help cut the flavor of the apple cider vinegar and make it not so abrasive to drink. So this organic raw honey that I get is from Trader Joe's, and it's really good. So I just take 1 teaspoon of that, stir it around, it'll dissolve because the water is warm. And then I make sure to drink this mixture from a straw, not directly from the jar, because it can erode your tooth enamel. Because if you're drinking this every day, that can really start to happen, and it's just one way to protect your teeth. So I drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And then also sometimes for a bonus, I might drink it again at night. Over this past 2 weeks, I probably drink it, I'd say out of the 14 days, maybe only 3 times. I drink it twice a day. For the most part, the results I got were because I just drank it in the morning on an empty stomach. And what I noticed is it really helped get my digestive system going, really good elimination and things like that. So I just feel like it really helped speed up my metabolism. I had a lot of energy. I just felt really good. I started to get more workouts in at the gym, brain fog leave, all those different things. So I really feel like it helped balance out my system. So I'll have an update really soon because I'm going to do this for another 2 weeks. So I'm going to do a full month of this. And also stay tuned for my new mom weight loss routine and my apple cider vinegar 1 month update. I'll be posting more pictures for the update after a month of doing this detox. So I'm really happy with the results. I recommend doing it, but definitely consult your doctor, especially if you're on medications, because the apple cider vinegar can interact with the certain medications negatively. So definitely check with your doctor about that. But thanks so much for watching. Please let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. God bless.